Hello my all beauty buddies, today I'm back again with a really very interesting video that is none other than a hairstyle. I thought why not to make a video about hairstyles. Today I will show you that how you can do a hairstyle like a hairstyle expert. So let's get started. The most interesting thing about this hairstyle is you don't need any hairspray, you don't need any color, just your hands and some bobby pins and some U-pins you can and a hair comb, and you can just do this. So firstly what you need to do is you take a section of your hair, like I am taking a section from besides my hair, and this called a crown section. So here I am taking the crown section here first. So I'm combing my hair well, that just combing your hair, set your hair. Now what I'm doing is now with the help of my hair, I am only with the help of my hair and hand, I am making a puff on my crown section. If you are not, if you don't have don't have so many hairs, if your hair is really thin, then you can use any kind of puff, hair puff, or hair, you can use any kind of hair accessories. So here I don't need any kind of hair accessories, so I am just going ahead with my original hair. So now I am just taking this clip and just make sure that your hair stays in place. So you need that kind of bobby pin. Pin your hair with this bobby pin really well. For this you need like 2 to 4 hair pins, but make sure that your hair is really in a good place and it don't move. You have to make sure that your hair goes on a really real place. So you can see that I don't like that kind of much puff, so I am just a small puff on my front hair, on my front side. So now what I am doing is I am taking just do the two section of your hair. I'm just here I'm doing just 2 section. Now take section by section like that, like me. I'm taking like that kind of thickness hair of section, and now I am twisting this hair like that, you can see, and twist your hair till till the end of your hair section. You can see I just twisted my hair like that. My hair is my hair length is long, so medium to long length. So I have to, if you have short hair, then you don't need to worry, you can do this. Then now what I am doing, I am just back pushing my hair like that. I am just I am just gonna make some messy thing. I am giving my hair a messy look, so with the help of this technique. So I am just pushing some little bit of hair like that. You can see now the condition of my hair like that. So you can see that you need to do like that kind of thing. So this is you need to like twisted hair. You can see that like twisted hair. So now that I am pinning this my hair, pinning that. So here I am just with the help of bobby pin, I am just tuck my hair like that. I am just tucking this pin like that, like a cross section, because it keeps your hair tight, so you don't need to worry about your hair. So again I am taking a small portion and I am just twisting. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
So I hope that you can see that is my final hair dough, and I hope that you enjoyed, because it's really easy and it's really quick. You don't need an hour to do that kind of hairstyle, and you don't need any like hairstyle to do hairstylist to do this hairstyle, to do this updo. So it's really easy, and if you don't have time to go somewhere, then you can try this trick and you can try this updo. It's really amazing and it's really classy and amazing. My favorite, one of my favorite. I have a previous video about hairstyle, 3 hairstyle. If you don't saw my the previous video of hairstyle, about hairstyle, then you can check this on the I button. And if you have any queries about any kind of thing, or any hairstyle, or any makeup, or any kind of thing, then you can mail me. The mail ID is the down box below, and if you can follow me on Instagram, and you can follow me on, you can check my Facebook page, then also the link is also down by below. And if you if you like my video, then don't forget to thumbs up and share with your friends. Must share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the subscribe button. You don't need to worry, because this subscription is completely free, so don't forget to subscribe. And besides the subscribe button, there are also a bell icon. Then press the bell icon, because whenever I upload my next video, you will get a notification. You can check my videos, all videos, so whenever I upload. So until I upload my next video, tata, bye bye, and lots of love, and take care.